Yes, I invite you.
So, Bhavna, this course has really helped me to open up in ways that I never imagined. Honestly, when I came here, I had a certain agenda in mind, but the way you have taught us, the way you have broken everything down for us, like for me especially, I just feel it has just opened up my world, expanded my my world and everything around me. And thank you so much for just giving and giving and kind of teaching us and explaining everything to us in such a amazing way. Thank you so much, and this is really really gonna like help me in a very big way because there have been a lot of eye openers for me. Thank you so much, Bhavna.
Thank you, Cloris. Thank you so much. And who would like to? Yes, Swapna.
So context should be this class only, or as a person I can explain.
Yeah, you can say as a person to
Yeah,
ye
okay.
bindas bolo.
Okay, so to Bhavna, I know her from long, and she is a very knowledgeable person, which I find. She is courageous, and she always seeks knowledge. And I heard that she sometimes attends the classes in the night, which at very late night, 2 o'clock somewhere. So that is that she is hungry for knowledge, that I liked most. And not only she acquires knowledge, she gives back to society. That's best thing. She is ready to help, and not only help, her giving back nature I liked, because when I see the way she teaches NLP, it's like a hand holding a person and taking all the steps, and that is the best thing she do. Structure, she has everything in structured, very structured things she has, because NLP I have learned in past, but this is the best way to learn, I guess. The each and every steps very structured manner. Not only that, you have presentation for that, and what you are covering, that is only you are already clear about the what you will cover in this course. So that is the best thing, and that is the student like when we attend some course, that what he is receiving is already there. The plate is there, you have to eat. That it's like that. So she keeps that plate ready with lots of things, not only and she covers many things in that. So that the flavors are there, like it's hot or something spicy, all flavors are there. So I like that plate. And thank you, Bhavna. It's
Thank you, Swapna.
always a gratitude towards you.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you,
teaching.
Swapna.
Thanks.
Yes, Kavya.
Yeah, I don't know, Bhavna, if you know this, but I had kind of attracted you to my life long back when I was in college. So that is how I knew you for the first time. And I really had, and I did that because I really had this image of Earth Woman, and that was like very much connected to you. So I've been following you on social media. We've been following each other, I would say, and I've been reading a lot of your writings, especially in the last few years. And I've always seen this light weaver thing coming in, and it was so difficult for me to shift from Earth Woman to light weaver. It was like I just can't imagine that. So if, like I realized that I started reading your content list. It was like you are the Earth Woman. You can't be anything else. So I had that rigidity in my mind, but I think this course also has helped me see you as more possibilities. So I really now can relate with you more as a life viewer as well. So I really liked it, and I say this especially because I kind of felt that there was a lot of light with the kind of interactions that we had, and this is important for me because I'm a person who doesn't like being dictated at all. So I really like the way you had more questions than Swapnil said hand holding because he had a previous experience of NLP, but I felt there was less hand holding and more of questioning. So different people see different things. So
Yes.
I kind of really liked that, and I saw that that thread being weaved across everyone. So I really liked it, and now you are the light weaver also to me. So I really enjoyed the whole thing. And I would say you chose a great person to be your assistant here. I really like the way Shilpa also supported us. I don't know about you, but yeah, supported us. Really liked it.
Thank you, Kavya. Thank you. And thank you also on behalf of Shilpa. So I'm really glad I chose her. Thank you. Yes, Lasita.
I know Bhavna from for quite some time now. I had attended her Bhavna's writing course. It was, I mean, it made me think like a writer, and it impacted all areas of my writing. So thank you so much there. Uh, for NLP, I'm aware that NLP is practiced by all senior managers, directors, chairpersons, and all big shots of the business world. And hence, I thought that it's something very difficult and very technical to understand and how. But Bhavna made it so easy. Okay, technical there is, but it flowed from being technical to application, and I'm so glad there are so many tools and it's got direct applicability, and you see very easy manifestation of this application in my life. Thank you so much, Bhavna. We'll keep in touch. I'll let
Thank
you
you,
know of
Lasita.
all the victories that I see in life. Thank you.
Thank you, Lasita. And I wish you plenty of victories.
Thank you.
Yes, Ranita. And then Saranya.
Yeah, so for me, this NLP, I came across this term, I think a couple of years back, and I was doing a story on it, and somehow I got very drawn to that idea. And from then, the seed of kind of it uh, it seeded that I have to do a course or something to do with it, and I kept trying on and off my research how to do it, and then I came across Devi, and she mentioned about you, and she spoke highly about you, that you will not get a coach like her. So, and I took time even to connect with you, Bhavna. It was not an immediate call that I got connected with you, and I shared, and still I was in a doubtful state, should I go for the course or not? But everything is just it kind of manifested in my life at the right time and the right occasion. And when I got the printout of those the study material, I was really, it all went bonkers. I couldn't follow anything. And I was like, oh my God, where am I? This is all psychology, and I'm not the person for it. But the way you taught us everything, every detail, and the way you engaged each of us, like it's not the someone who is underperforming is left behind, someone who is doing better is kind of given all the attention. Everyone is given due attention, and everyone was engaged at the same level. So it's a very rare quality of a educator, and I don't find it in the education system. I have no qualms about saying that. So for you, I think everyone is a first venture and first
Yes.
performer. So that is one thing I've learned. And also I think this has helped me. Even within 6 days, I spoke to one of my senior colleague who retired, who himself also opened up that he was a coach, and he said I could see the kind of transformation in you which has taken within few days. The one Ranita which whom I know last year and who I'm talking now in 2021, there is a massive change, and I can see you grow in your life, and you are there already, baby, kind of
Wow.
thing,
Wow.
he said. So that's a great thing, and I'm looking forward. I'm really kind of in a way sad that this is ending here. I want to learn more and more, not through the books, not through the printouts, but through you and people like you around. And each of you have also taught me so many things, and so much to pick up from each of you, be it Chloris, be it Saranya or Christina. Everyone has something to teach us. Like there is a takeaway from each of you, and so is Shilpa. So I'm really thankful for all this, and I think this is the first beginning of my healing
Yes.
process. Thank you.
Thank you, Ranita. Thank you. Yes, Saranya.
Yeah. First and foremost, I must thank you for because I look at you like a mother holding the hands of a child and leading her. You're very gentle and your voice is very, very soothing. I'm in love with your voice, the way you have been teaching us. And I never thought that I'm one person. I always used to think that meditation is not my cup of tea. I haven't imagined in the wildest of my dreams that I would be sitting and doing meditation like this. So it was really good. And a lot of learnings have taken place. I have learned to open up, even the body opening up, like I'm very kind of, what do I say, stuck. So I need a lot of opening up. A lot of unconditioning needs to take place. And yeah, it has started here. And a lot of takeaway points, be it the associating and dissociating part or the timeline travel. I'm sure these are going to help me a lot in my future endeavors. Thank you so much for being very patient with such a distracted student like me, because I always used to have a doubt in my mind and you had to repeat for me. It was wonderful on the whole. Thank you. Thank you so much to each and every one of you here. And next time I will be more observant and good in giving feedback also.
Thank you, Saranya. And does anyone else wants to? Yes, Ranjana.
I've learned with Bhavna before, and it's been the same kind of experience. It transforms you, it empowers you. It's like going on some thrilling adventure, in which she takes you into your mind, into yourself, and you find parts of yourself that you didn't know existed, and you end up. What I feel at the end of each session is just joy. I feel joyous at the end of each session. When I wake up in the morning, I would look forward to the session, to sitting here and interacting with you and listening to you, and learning from you and from everybody here. And I just feel like I think there's no better journey than to go on than the one that you take us on, and it's like going with Indiana Jones, inside your head, and we just come up with these. We just come up with these things, and I'm like, oh my God, this was here, this was here inside me, and it's astonishing, and it's a beautiful experience to study, to learn under you, and I hope I get to go through many such courses with you, Bhavna. I mean, I enjoyed so much, I learned so much, and I want to keep learning more and more about this from you, because it just transforms you learning with you. So thank you for this course. And
thank you, Ranjana. Thank you, Ranjana, and thank you for sharing. And anyone else? Okay, Christina.
Bhavna, this was the first time I got in touch more deeply with NLP system, and I'm happy it was you who introduced me in it. And for me, the course was a sort of a living organism. Like there was structure, but still there was a lot of flexibility. And I think you really cares about others. And I really appreciate how you were able to be aware of every one of each of us. It's really something amazing. And you in me raised the curiosity and the desire, and also to will to learn more about NLP. So another question for myself towards you is, how can I continue with my own education? But we can we can respond to it later. Okay. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Christina. Thank you.